How to delete unwanted parts of audio in Ocenaudio. First of all, open your Ocenaudio software and load the audio file you want to edit. You will see the waveform of the audio appear on your screen, which represents the sound. Now, click and drag your cursor over the unwanted section of the audio. This is the part you want to remove. You will notice that the selected area gets highlighted. Once you have selected the section, simply hit the delete key on your keyboard. The unwanted part will be removed and the remaining audio will automatically adjust to close the gap. If you want to make sure the audio is perfectly aligned, you can zoom in on the waveform to get more precise control over the selection. It helps when you are working with smaller, more detailed cuts. In case you make a mistake, don't worry, you can always undo your action by pressing Ctrl+Z on your keyboard. To save your edited file, go to File and click Save As. Choose your preferred format and you are done. And that's it. Now you know how to delete unwanted parts of audio in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.